Yang Hyun-suk, a former producer of YG Entertainment, claimed not to have threatened Seo-hee. It was revealed that Seo-hee said that she would not have made a public interest report if she had received 500 million won from police officer A who investigated her. The 23rd Criminal Settlement Division of the Seoul Central District Court held the first trial against Yang Hyun-suk on charges of violating the Act on Aggravated Punishment of Specific Crimes this morning. Yang attended the trial today. Yang, the former CEO, was tried on charges of threatening to change his statement at the police station, after Seo-hee, who accused B.I of YG Entertainment about drug purchases. In relation to the trial, Yang Hyun-suk's lawyers claimed innocence. It is true that the accused met Seo-hee, but he did not threaten or coerce him to make a false statement, he said. When the presiding judge asked Yang Hyun-suk whether the lawyer's opinion was the same, Yang Hyun-suk answered, yes. Police officer A, who first investigated Seo-hee on drug charges, appeared as a witness at the witness interrogation. The prosecution intensively checked the situation at the time Seo-hee was questioned by Mr. A. Person A testified that Seo-hee suddenly changed her attitude after she said she would testify about B.I's drug charges. Mr. A said with the intention of apologizing to Seo-hee while shedding tears when she overturned her statement regarding B.I. Person A recalled the time, saying, when I asked Seo-hee why she reversed the statement, she cried and said, I'm sorry. Yang Hyun-suk's lawyer pointed out that the statements made by Mr. A at the trial and what he said when being investigated by the police in September 2019 were different. Person A answered, Seo-hee suddenly changed her target while making a public interest report, so she asked him to be investigated and was charged, so there was a psychological burden at the trial. The transcript of a phone call between Seo-hee and A in 2019, 2 years after B.I's case was closed, was also released. It turned out that Seo-hee persuaded him to attend an interview with a media while calling Mr. A. At the time of the phone call, Mr. A testified that would have shut up if Yang Hyun-suk had given him 500 million won. I will ruin Yang Hyun-suk. It's disgusting. In an additional inquiry about the transcript, Mr. A admitted that the transcript of the phone call with Seo-hee was correct. With Yang Hyun-suk denying all of the threats, the interrogation of Mr. A is expected to continue. The next trial will be held on December 6.